In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add keywords to Shopify website. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store. From there, click on Preferences. This is the section where you can manage important search engine optimization settings for your store homepage. These fields help search engines understand what your website is about, and they also influence how your site appears in search results. When you are on the Preferences page, find the Homepage Title field. This is where you will add your primary target keywords. Place your most important keyword phrase near the beginning of the title. That is helpful because search engines tend to give more attention to the first words in a title. Keep this title clear, relevant, and under 60 characters. Staying within that limit helps make sure the full title can appear properly in search results without being cut off. Avoid stuffing in too many keywords. A simple and focused title usually performs better and is easier for visitors to understand. Next, locate the homepage meta description field. In this area, write a short description of your homepage that includes your secondary keywords. This description should support the main topic of your page and give a clear summary of what visitors can expect when they click through to your site. Try to keep it under 155 characters. This is important because longer descriptions may be truncated in search engine listings. Make sure the wording sounds natural and readable. Even though keywords are useful here, the description should still feel like a proper sentence and not just a list of search terms. Once you have entered your homepage title and your meta description, take a quick moment to review both fields. Check that your primary keywords are placed near the beginning of the title, and make sure your secondary keywords fit naturally into the meta description. Also confirm that both sections stay within the recommended character limits. After that, click Save to apply your changes. Shopify will update your homepage SEO settings, and your new keywords will be in place. That covers everything you need to know.